Hi, I'm Chris Whitman with MarineMax Kent Island. Today we're going to showcase this trade-in 2018 Beneteau 50 Gran Turismo. She is a single owner, IPS 600, it's about 500 hours on it, very well taken care of. Come on aboard, I want to show you. Back here on the hydraulic swim platform, and we may do some grilling later, but we're going to show you the boat first, and she's got a little tender garage. So make sure to watch your step because we are tied up on port side. As we come into the cockpit area, all right, we've got an ice maker, we've got a wet bar here, lots and lots of seating around here. One of my favorite things about this is you'll notice that I've opened the glass up all the way. She's got a nice filler here, even includes a cup holder, and there's a screen. So we can close this off, and any of you that's ever dealt with the bugs when you're on the water understand that completely. But we've got her all opened up. Come on into the salon, let's take a look. So now that we're inside, again, it's a beautiful day, so I have both the side windows down. All right, we've got a nice TV. I've left the table extended for all of us to sit and eat. Here's our first fridge here. Remember, we have an ice maker so far in the fridge. There is a quiz at the end. But a huge sunroof here, and I have a nice little vent window that a lot of times I really won't run the air conditioning on if I'm out running on a beautiful day like this because I've got airflow coming in. Of course, she has all the amenities, but her ability to open up and just feel bigger like this is amazing. So she's got a fantastic cockpit or helm right here. She does have VOLVO IPS joystick. She does have a separate bow thruster. She does have the Beneteau ship control. So this is a neat little feature along with her trim tabs. Like I said, she's got about 500 hours on her. She is an absolute joy to drive. And we'll show you the video of that, but then we'll show you what it's like to live aboard a little bit. All right, so because we're gonna be spending a lot of time on this boat, the galley makes a difference, but I want to point out the atrium effect because nobody wants to feel like they climb down into a cave. So I've got lots of lights down here. Lots of natural light as well. Fridge, freezer, I can set them up any way I want. So you have 2-burner stove. You know what I mean when I say it's amazing how much storage makes a difference in your boat. Not only that, but it's how it goes away. So they did a really good job on that. The dedicated storage in here for the sink tops, plenty of counters. My dishwasher is in here. So come on down, I'm gonna show you where you're staying tonight. Cool. So this is your room for the evening. I haven't made the bed yet. We just got the boat ready for you. So plenty of headroom, plenty of open light. You do have opening portholes on both sides. The bed can be split apart or kept together. And of course, lockers on both sides. She does have direct access to the day head. And then right back here, we'll have the third stateroom as well. And this can be done, I set it up as one bed, but of course you can separate those just simply by taking the filler out. So now that you guys know where you're staying for the night, I'm just gonna show you my room because, well, I think you're gonna love the owner's suite. So if we need to take care of any of the towels or bathing suits from today, I do have a combination washer dryer here, but come on back and I'll show you the owner's suite. All right, she does have the separate shower and head. Of course, it's a nice way having the toilets separated gives you, well, it's a lot easier to get ready together. Yeah, so show them that. And then of course we've got hanging locker. Again, we do have opening windows on both sides, lots of storage, and this is where I'll be sleeping because, well, I like the centerline full beam owner suite. So my name's Chris Whitman. I'm with MarineMax Kent Island, and this 2018 Beneteau 50 Gran Turismo, very well taken care of, can be yours. Give me a call.